Welcome to BeeHive Homes of Taylorsville. I'm Andriana Marshall, the Executive Director. Today we're hosting our first ever dog show. We're excited to welcome 13 sweet smiles with wagging tails and to bring some smiles to our residents.
Hi, I'm Thelma Burkhead. I live here at BeeHive. I've been here about 9 months. I've always been around dogs at home. I just want to see how they compare with our dogs.
At BeeHive Homes, it's about bringing smiles to our residents, whether we're sitting and chatting with them or hosting a dog show. I hope that as we brought smiles to them, we brought smiles to you as well.
We just have a good time, whatever we do.